Hello students, in this video I am going to present the summary of the essay The March of Mind by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. I hope this video will be helpful in knowing the subject matter of this essay. The essay The March of Mind is written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. It is prescribed for the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature Paper 2nd in MGS University, Bikaner. Dr. Radhakrishnan has contributed much to the cause of education in India. He discusses that India after independence is passing through a challenging phase when the people of India are to make many efforts for the development of nation in spite of many historical, political, economic and social problems. So in this essay, Dr. Radhakrishnan looks at the needs of India as related to education, keeping in view the historical, political, economical, philosophical, and religious perspectives. He points out the importance of right education for the youth of our country, and he stresses that the aim of education should be on the balanced growth of the individual. Education should prepare the students to face the difficult problems of life. Dr. Radhakrishnan proposes that the responsibility lies with the university for training the youth and to teach them to approach the problems of life with tolerance, self control, and a sense of balance, which the new conditions demand. He advises the students to adopt a purpose in their life, as that will be helpful for them to proceed in the right direction in their life. In Dr. Radhakrishnan, we see a rare combination of Indian tradition and scientific thinking, as he favors the study of science and technology along with moral values that are imbibed in the classical works of the philosophers and the creative thinkers. On the importance and role of teachers, he says that a university is essentially a corporation of teachers and students. The kind of education that the students receive also depends on the quality of teachers. He says that magnificent buildings and equipments are no substitute for great teachers. In the absence of competent teachers, it is impossible for the students to get adequate academic or moral guidance. He remarks that the greatest assets of a nation are character building, spiritual strength or spiritual growth, and a sense of unity or to work with the feeling of togetherness. In this way, the essay is relevant essay as still in the present times there is need to make necessary improvements in education system and in imparting education to the students. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that the scientific and technological studies develop in students an attitude of tolerance, freedom from prejudice, and hospitality to new ideas. Highlighting the true aim of education, he says that education develops our mind and intelligence. But if we also inculcate moral values in our behavior, this can save the world from total destruction. He draws the attention on the fact that the attitude of indifference to our culture is mainly responsible for the increasing unrest among the students. Unless the students develop a sense of self control and a sense of balance, they become a danger to themselves and to society as a whole. Dr. Radhakrishnan emphasizes on the importance of spiritual strength. He says that our future destiny as a nation depends on our spiritual strength rather than upon our material wealth. The goal of perfection cannot be reached by weak in spirit. If we develop the spirit of our people, our future will be bright. Dr. Radhakrishnan, discussing the true aim of education, says that education should provide both knowledge and wisdom. Education should not only train the intellect but also bring grace into the heart of man. When we study, we get the knowledge of different subjects, but wisdom can be easily gained through the study of literature, philosophy, and religion. The study of these subjects help the students to understand the higher laws of the universe and to face the difficult problems of life. In this way, Dr. Radhakrishnan points out the right kind of education for the youth of our country. The essay reveals his deep concern for the right guidance to the students. According to him, education is a means by which our youth can be trained to face the challenges of their life, and education is helpful in building the new India of our dreams. So, this is all about the essay The March of Mind by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.